Welcome back to Learn Cambodian with me again. Hi, my name is Dara. I'm a Khmer tutor from Khmer Lesson team. Khmer Lesson team is a team providing service in tutoring Cambodian language to foreigners in Cambodia and from everywhere around the world. Moreover, I'm a course instructor on Udemy and also am a Khmer tutor on Italki.com. As you know already, Italki.com is a website that you can learn any language from everywhere around the world. Okay, so today in this lesson, we're gonna learn how to make question with what, or I can say WA question. Okay, so now let's learn through this lesson together. Making question with what, or I can say making question with WA, and then we start with what first. Okay, so this lesson we're gonna learn how to make question with what. Okay, so the meaning of what in Khmer is avai or a, but actually the right meaning for the word what is avai, but a I can say is a speaking language. Okay, so for the word what you can use both. You can say avai or a. And here below is the form of making question with what. So you see, you have subject, verb, and then avai or a at the end. It's different from English. When you make a question with what in English, you use it at the beginning, but in Khmer opposite, we use it at the end of the sentence. Or I can say 95% in making question in Cambodian language, we always use question word at the end. Because why I say 95%? Because like some kind of question, we follow English. We use question word at the beginning as well. Okay, so now let's start together with making question with what. Okay, in this lesson, I have some example for you. Okay, so now please start from example number 1. Okay, example number 1, you say, what did you do? What did you do? And so I use this sentence in the past because I use did as an auxiliary verb. Okay, use in the past. But when you change into Khmer, we don't care. You see, I write, you do what? You do what? You see, we use what at the end. And then when you translate into Khmer, you say, Nek thơ avai or Nek thơ ai. Okay. And then for Cambodian people, we like to say a. We like to say a all the time. Okay. And easy, I think easier for you as well. Okay, so this sentence again. Nek thơ ai or Nek thơ avai. I mean, you do what? Okay, so to do is thơ, and net is you. Okay. Okay, now go to example number 2. What do you want? What do you want? In Khmer, you want what? You want what? We have no auxiliary verb do anymore. You want what? So in Khmer, Nek chong ban avai or Nek chong ban ai. So want is chong ban. Chong ban. Actually, the word want in Khmer, or not in Khmer, in English you have C structure, and in Khmer we translate the same. Not the same. I can say in English you have 3 structure for want. You have want something, want to do something, and want somebody to do something. And in Khmer we translate differently as well. Okay, and this sentence we use want like want something. You see, you want what? Not want to do. So in this case, the word want we say chong ban. Chong ban. And then later you will meet the word want but want to do. Okay. Okay, so I read this sentence for you again. Nè trong ban ấy. Okay. Now go to example number 3. Okay, here you see. I use want but want to do. Want to do, not want something anymore. Okay, so this sentence. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? In Khmer, you want to do what? You want to do what? And then when you translate into Khmer, you say Nè trong thơ. And then I say only I don't say away anymore. Nè trong thơ ấy. Nè trong thơ ấy. You see? Trong, not trong ban anymore because we use want to. So again, when you say want something, you translate into Khmer, you have to say trong ban. Trong ban. But when you use want to, in Khmer, you have to say trong. Trong. Okay? Not ban, without ban. Okay, so this sentence again. Nè trong thơ ấy. Okay, nè trong thơ ấy. Okay, so this is how to make a question with what in Cambodian language. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any question, please comment below and I'm gonna talk to you in next video.